Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Guys, I know I've not been recording for quite some time now. I'm very sorry, I was out of town, so I was unable to do it. Okay, so let's get into our analysis first. So I just marked these levels freshly. Market had gapped up today and it gave a good rally. Expiry was really amazing. And what happened, I did not trade Nifty, but I got an amazing trade in Bank Nifty. I'll show it. Tomorrow, let me tell you the levels for Nifty. If it crosses 20100, I will be looking forward to buy it. If it crosses anywhere only below 19874, I'll be looking forward to sell it. Till then, I don't have any selling positions. I only have buying positions. I mean, I only have buying views on Nifty. That is, if Nifty should cross 20100. Okay, so that's for Nifty. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, what happened exactly today at 9:45, this candle was created. Okay, I know this is a huge selling candle, but it did not breach our level, so I was positive. After this candle, I entered this trade and this was my stop loss. I know the stop loss is pretty big, but it's totally fine because I'm looking forward for a long momentum. What happened? Market gave a good rally. Okay, market did give a good rally. That is, we entered this yesterday. Not today, sorry, we entered this yesterday. We carry forwarded it today. So we entered this yesterday and then market gave a good rally up. And what happened, we booked our profits here. Okay, exactly at 130 215 something, I booked my profit here just because this was a resistance. I booked my profit here. And then now I'm holding one more lot, which I'll be my stop loss is exactly at this level, guys. Okay, now my stop loss is at this level. Okay, if market comes down here and it survives a little bit, if it goes up, it's totally fine for me. I will add more quantity here and I'll add more quantity in this location. That is, let me be very clear. If market comes to 44,350, I will be adding more position. Or if market goes above 44,650, I will be adding more positions. Okay, so this is for Bank Nifty. Next, let's see US oil. If you guys see US oil, we entered here yesterday. And we were holding the trade. We were holding it for a very, very long time. And today it reached its resistance. Exactly here, we booked the resistance. We did not hold anymore. We booked it. And then market fell. Again, in this location, I did enter. In 5 minutes time frame, let me show you how I entered it. So here is where I entered. Okay, this was my stop loss. 25 point is my stop loss for now. This trade is still live. And this is my target. Okay, so here there is a good support. If market comes back here up, I will be adding more. That is, if it comes somewhere near $77 or 5 cents, I'll be adding more position to it because this is a winning trade. If it goes negative, it's totally fine. But this, I moved my stop loss to cost because of these candles. I moved it to cost now, which is totally fine. So that's it for US oil. If it crosses $77 and 80 cents or 90 cents, I will be definitely adding more positions to it because it has already converted into an buying market now. You see this, guys, 1 2 3 4, it is already on a buying momentum. So if this crosses also, I'll be definitely looking forward to add more position. Next is gold. Gold exactly reached our target today. Okay, gold, we were holding it. We holding it from when? I think from 23rd we are holding this. 23rd to, yeah, it's almost 6 days. 6 days and it is a very good profit. If you guys see, it's 2.89% of profit, which is really good. Okay, so what happened was my trailing stop loss is here. Then it shifted here. What happened exactly, it came to this point, I exited. Okay, and here my little stop losses got hit exactly in this location, which is totally fine. This was a trailing stop loss which got hit. Still, this is how the trade is gonna look. This is the second lot and this is the first lot. Okay, this is how it's gonna look. Next buying. Okay, next buying, where am I gonna do? If market breaches 2068, I will be looking forward to buy it. My stop loss should be small because this stop loss is really big. Let's see, but it has to breach it. Only if it breaches, I'll be looking forward to buy it. Till then, I don't have any trades in gold. Then we have a lot of stocks for swing trading. First is Divis Lab is sustaining this level. Okay, this is a good level for Divis Lab to sustain. So tomorrow, if I see one small positive candle or any kind of sustainability here, I will buy it. That is 3730 or 3720. If I see a little positive candle, I'll buy, and below this will be my stop loss. That is 3688 will be my stop loss. Next one is CESC. CESC, we already had a position here, we made a position here. Now again, this is also not a bad price. So 98 rupees is a good price. We can definitely buy it. I can definitely buy it, and 94 rupees will be my stop loss. Okay, it has broken his all-time it has broken his last resistance, so I'm definitely buying this. Next is Jubilant Food. Jubilant Food is in a triangle pattern. Okay, triangle pattern breakout has happened, and this is the last resistance. So if we go to 1 hour time frame, see, this is a pullback. Okay, if I get a price of 560 or 565, I will be buying it. I'll be holding it till just a minute. I'll be holding it till this is my next resistance. This will be the target one. That is 620 will be the first target for me. Okay, so then later on we'll see if it breaches, then we'll see for the next targets. For now, this will be the target and this will be the stop loss. That is 560 to 565, I'll buy anywhere. Okay, even if I get any lower price also, I'm totally fine, I'll buy it. And my stop loss will be 552. And next one is LIC Housing. LIC Housing, we are already holding a position from 438. Okay, stop loss was here. Now we moved the stop loss to cost to cost after this swing. Okay, after this swing, now it is here. So it has breached its resistance. So now what is happening is, and it has breached with a massive green candle. Okay, this is a massive green candle. If you guys see the big green candle, so tomorrow I'll be looking forward to enter at 478 or 480. I'm adding to my winning position here, 480 or 478. My stop loss will be 455, and my first target will be 535. Second target will be 565. So this is for LIC Housing Finance. Next one is Mahindra & Mahindra. Mahindra & Mahindra is on an uptrend, and it is breaking one of its very important resistance. Next is its 1668. Mahindra & Mahindra has given me very good profits in earlier trades. Now again, I think it's time for me to enter this trade, but I'm a bit nervous to enter here because I see a fresh resistance. There is a higher chance it might come down. If it crosses 1666, I'll definitely buy it, and I don't know the upside momentum. I will definitely trial it and go. So this is for M&M. Next one's Godrej. In Godrej, if you guys see on a weekly time frame, it is on an uptrend, but now it is at a resistance. If it crosses 1105, I'm looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be 1050. So that's it for today's market analysis video, guys. I hope you guys like my channel, and this is one of the trade which I'm holding, and it's giving me massive profit. If you guys see, we entered this trade here. We entered it exactly here on 227. Now my stop loss is this 1:2. I booked half. It's actually 1:11 now. So I'm holding it. I'm very happy with this. I have many more stocks in my portfolio which have given this kind of returns. So please follow my channel if you like. If you guys like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. So I'll definitely try posting a new video on psychology very shortly, which is very important. I hope you guys like my content and you guys got something valuable to learn. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Your support will be appreciated. Thank you. Take care. Bye.